Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering the Barracuda and choosing the connection path, Bluetooth or USB dongle. Make sure the headset has enough charge and is in pairing mode. Hold the power button until the LED flashes. If you plan to use the USB dongle, plug it into a PC USB port before pairing. Once done, set your computer or phone to discover devices and keep other Bluetooth devices off to avoid interference while the headset appears on the list. Now you pair and configure. For the dongle, plug it in and let drivers install. Choose Razer Audio as playback and recording in sound settings. For Bluetooth, tap the Barracuda entry on your phone or PC and accept pairing. Sometimes a code appears, so confirm it. After connected, open Razer Synapse to update firmware and set sample rates or mic gain. This improves latency and voice clarity. Make sure your system's default audio device matches the headset to route sound correctly. Finish by testing both output and mic. Play audio and join a quick call to confirm voice pickup. If you hear nothing, make sure the Barracuda is the default playback device, reinsert the dongle, or repair via Bluetooth. If the mic is low or intermittent, disable exclusive control in sound properties, update firmware through Synapse, and try a different USB port or adapter. One key troubleshooting tip: power cycle the headset and host device. That often clears persistent pairing or drive.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.